Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to be talking about how to turn negative numbers into positive numbers in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, we need to have a sample data like this. Just type any negative numbers that you want and go ahead and tabulate them as shown in the screen. Next, all you have to do is click on any cell that you want and type -1. Next, go ahead and copy the -1 cell and try to select the table or sample data that we have. Go ahead and press right click, go to Paste Special, click that, and once you click that, go ahead and go for Multiply. If you don't want to delete the borders that is currently set up in your table, go ahead and click All Except Borders and press OK. Now, we have turned the negative values into positive values. There's actually another way for this. Let's try to undo that. To start the second method, all you need to do is enter any cell which we want to get the positive version of. Next, go ahead and type equals and click on the cell that we want to make positive. Next, type in asterisk and then -1. Once we do that, we can get the value that we wanted in its positive form. All we have to do to apply it to the other cells is select the green box on the lower right corner and drag it all the way down. And there we have it. This is how we turn negative numbers into positive numbers in Microsoft Excel.